La la la. I'm opening. What's up? Nice. Dahil,
Meron ka bang ano dyan?
gunting. Dahil, may gunting ka ba dyan? Okay. Remove this then. Oh, the thing has been removed already. What happened? Shit. Oh no. Yeah. Put it under here so that it doesn't rip more. Dang it. Come on. Oh, hello. Yes. That's good. I got the manual. It's a plug and play, I think. There's nothing on downloading anything, so it's probably plug and play. Ooh, we got a sticker. Added to my sticker thingy. I got so many stickers there. No. For this guy, and for this guy, now for this guy. Let's see. Ooh! The funk! Excuse it. Just get this thing out of the box. Just the right size. Let's see, freebies. We got a keycap puller, not so good ones. Short. Oh fuck, it's sheesh. Let's check if the switches are red. We got red switches here. It's actually red switches. I don't wanna take it out. Which cap should I? Red. I think it's. No, it's not. I don't know. I'm just happy that I had it. Look at this. There's no click. It's so different from this. Oh, love it. Now, I'm just gonna turn it on my computer. And see if I can have this thing boot up without any problems. Keep that cooler. Here we have the thingy. Weird. We have this. I don't know what this is. Like the. Oh, it's another thing. 90-degree USB-C cables. Plug it in.
Oh my.
Manual. Why is it pink? Can adjust backlighting. FN plus alt this. Ooh. FN plus M to adjust the lighting. FN N. FN plus and infinite space. Oh. Oh no, it's lit. It looks so good, bro. It looks so good. How do I put this in? Chocolate. What color? It's white. This is white. This is a white thingy. Okay. I'm just gonna need to type in something notepad. Let's see. Can I put you here? I can't put you. Alright, I can. And it needs a little bit of getting used to, because I'm used to having the full-size keyboard, but yeah. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah. Woo! That's all. Typing speed 44, whatever. That's good. Let's go.